Today I'm going to show you a fantastic ranch style home located in Madison Heights. 3 bedrooms, full basement, nice garage. I think you're going to like it. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome. Listen, this house has a lot of cool features. One of the things you're going to love is the current owner is a real gardener. So beautiful gardens around. They all come in at different times of the year. That's going to be very nice. You got a newer roof on it, just a couple of years old, updated furnace, all kinds of stuff. The real question is, will you be able to make this your home sweet home? Almost 1,200 square foot. It comes with a hot tub, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, finished basement, pretty much anything you could want. This is a clean, move-in ready home. How do you like those hardwood flooring? That natural oak, it's a little on the darker side versus the honey, which I personally prefer. The updated kitchen is huge. You have plenty of room for an island or a cafe table within this area also. But here again, updated kitchen, updated bath. Nice area for a buffet if you like entertaining. Now imagine snuggling up in the winter. This is a natural fireplace. Very, very sharp, great family room. And it's just multi-purpose really to fit your needs. Are you going to be working from home, or do you want this strictly as a relaxation area? Whatever you want, it's totally up to you. Over here we have the dining room, which imagine having Thanksgiving dinner while you have a crackling fire going. How cool would that be? Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this video, but if you're serious about buying a home and you want to go from being an average buyer to a super buyer, then don't miss our upcoming home buying seminar. Click the registration link below. I hope to see you there. We're going to have some fun and learn a lot. Now this is the master bedroom. Pretty nice size with hardwood flooring. Here's the updated bath. I really like that tile choice they made. Plenty of space in the other 2 bedrooms. And with that hardwood flooring, you know, it's going to help with allergies. It's easier to keep clean. A lot of benefits. And as you can tell, this has been a home that's been very loved on. And it's just easy to see as you go throughout. Notice newer vinyl windows. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Bye bye, butterfly. Out the door, dinosaur. But don't you leave, because we have more to see if this would be the perfect home for you. Let's check out the basement. This finished basement, I don't know about you, especially on these 95-degree days, this is the perfect place to be hanging out. You have a little side area over there, and there's plenty of storage too that we're not showing here. You're gonna have to come check it out. If you want to schedule a showing, give me a call at area code 248-214-4105. Yep, the garage has 220 and natural gas. You gotta love that. Great yard.
Very nice.